Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Balik tayo. Hooray. Hooray. Hooray.
Gabili!
Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray.
Last 3. Ano mo lang pangalan?
Mike from
Bulacan.
Layo.
Pauline from Mandaluyong.
Bagong sama si Pauline.
Jess, ano bago?
Yes, from Cavite.
Yes, from Cavite.
Bagong sama din. First time din. First time din. Ano man natin dalawang babaeng bagong sama. Okay, ready? Kailangan kong maalis si Mike para yung dalawang bagong. Okay, game. Ready?
Hep, hep. Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Sayang ang dress! Last 2.
Go, Jess!
Manalo mo na yan.
Go, Jess!
Balik tayo natin. Dapat yung host pa susunod eh. Okay. Ready? Yung normal lang. Ready?
Jess,
Hooray.
Hooray. Hep.
Hooray.